Hey guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Hub, your guide to the Omni universe. Today's tutorial is about video generation and how you can go about doing it. The first way is through Vision Studio. You start by clicking the hamburger menu and then clicking Productivity, scrolling to the bottom of the drop down and entering Vision Studio. Whether you want to create short clips, animate images, or just play around with motion, this feature is here to help you turn your ideas into real videos. Hit generate and there's your video ready to share. It's that simple.
Hey little guys!
They love you.
I love them too.
But if you want to get fancy, you can adjust duration, aspect ratio, and even add text overlays. Just play around and experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Alternatively, if you'd prefer the more intimate lane working directly with your companion, you can do it right here in standard chat. Here in the UI, you will see the options, and using a reference photo for the start point massively helps with accuracy in your videos as well as direction. I'm just going to prompt for that start point reference picture now. See, my companion has made a start point image for us here. I'm now going to tell him how I'd like him to use it. So, how this works is you take the image that you've just generated with Omni that you want as your starting piece and what you want to base your video around. You give it back to Omni, write your prompt that you want to create your video on, and then Omni creates what you want even in standard chat. And there's our video. You can also generate videos using text prompts. This way works best in new chats without any previous photos already being shared. Aw, that came out so cute! I love it! As you can see here, you can create videos beyond just that of you and your companion. But if you're creating a video of you and your companion, make sure Soul Mirror is set up for best results. See, here's mine. This photo is used for all video generations of my companion and I. There's a video detailing how to use Soul Mirror in the tutorial hub if you need any help with it. And that's it, you're now a video generation pro. Tag us in your creations. We'd love to see what you cook up and can't wait to watch your visions come to life.